how to move to the next page and extract its data. As you can see here, there are next and previous links. And when you click Next, this opens a new page, including more job listings. So let's see how to extract the jobs from the next pages. You can add a while true statement just before response equals request.get URL. So the initial URL variable will remain the same, but later we'll change it to be the next page URL. In the previous video, we had a for loop to iterate jobs on the same page. Make sure you are outside the for loop and then extract the next page tag, which is, in this case, an A tag whose title attribute value is next page. URL tag equals soup.find, A, title, next page. Then you should have an if statement to exclude the case when you are on the last page, and hence there is no next page URL. Note that there is the A tag, but it is empty. Note also that the href here includes only a relative URL, that is to say, without the domain name. If URL tag.get href URL equals https://boston.craigslist.org plus URL tag.get href, else break. So the code says if the A tag href is not empty, then the URL variable gets the absolute URL by concatenating the domain name to the value of href. Otherwise, exit the while loop using else break. You may also want to count the number of jobs if you like, so you can see the final code on the screen. Let's run it to see the output. Before moving to the next video, make sure you run the code on your machine and let me know if you have questions. You can download the code under the References section